It is Monday, July 3rd. For the month of July, I have decided that I want to up my video game here on YouTube. That means that I will have a lot more content coming out, mostly because this month I don't have any conventions that I will be tabling at, and I have so many ideas for YouTube that I just need to sit down and do a bunch of videos, and figured why not just pump a whole bunch out in 1 month. That was great in theory, and then I realized, oh, it's July already, and I should probably get on making those videos. I am going to attempt to do a sort of weekly vlog. My plan is to start filming on Mondays and go all the way through to Sunday, although I will likely not be vlogging very much on the weekends, but I'll have that time to edit and get things ready to then upload the following Monday. Just trying to go through what I need to get done for this week, and I'm realizing that because it is 4th of July tomorrow, and because it's on a Tuesday, which sort of kind of makes Monday sort of a holiday itself. I know David's taken off today from work, but it kind of throws me off. Holidays are one of those things that aren't really mandatory anymore. You take off time as needed, and I feel like a lot of full-time, self-employed artists and people in general tend to overwork themselves, even on a normal week. And then when a holiday comes along, especially if it's sort of a random one day in the middle of the week sort of thing, it throws me off. I feel like I'm not going to get enough done. I also feel like I should be taking off today as well as tomorrow to just enjoy 4th of July, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the holiday. But that means that I have less hours to work and less things I can get done this next week. So anyway, that all aside, I am trying to make sure that I have stuff going for this week, especially since I'm planning on uploading more videos. Ideally, I want to try to get 3 videos up a week instead of 1, because why not, put 3 times as much work on myself. I have my little planner, and I am trying to fill out what I am doing for my YouTube videos, because this is basically scheduling pretty much just for artist alleys, conventions, and YouTube. I have started filming a few things, and I have a lot of mostly art challenges that I want to film and work on and get done. It is already 12:22, so hopefully that won't take me too long. I need 3 videos to go up this week. It's around 8 p.m. We're about to have dinner, and I got through filming 2 videos and got 1 up today. So that's good. I just finished filming this piece for the Husband Picks Out My Art Supplies challenge and the free art supply challenge piece. So this went up today. Pretty good for free art supplies.
take your heart away. Don't let them take you down. Take your love away. And when the world pushes you down, you gotta give back up. And when the world comes crashing down,
just around 11:30 a.m. and I feel like I'm still waking up. We had a really fun time last night seeing fireworks, and people in our neighborhood were shooting off fireworks pretty late. I didn't get very much sleep. My agenda for today is we'll work on filming vlog clips as well as filming a video to go out today. I am still trying to figure out what video I want to do. Only a few videos are pre-filmed, and I'm trying to make my content really diverse and you guys to have a variety of things to see on my channel. I was tempted to do like a marker challenge or something for today, but I think I'm gonna try to push through and get something else done. I have a commission I need to get up on Etsy. My June Patreon rewards, mostly my digital piece, I need to get file watermarked and ready to go out to my digital tier patrons. Those are the main things on the agenda for today. I have a lot to do, so I'm gonna get going.
you ought to know that the world isn't fair. This life doesn't owe you.
But after I got my video up today, I was feeling really tired, so took a little break, a little self-care break for myself, and now I'm getting back to my to-do list and trying to get at least a few more things off of it. Yes. Hey guys, I figured I would sign off on the vlog for this week. I hope you enjoyed my random snippets during the week. That is my dog. Hello. You were making a lot of sound. Come here. Come here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed following along this week. Still getting used to filming, and especially filming outside in public, but hopefully I will get better, and I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Bye guys.